PolyMax PLA is an incredibly easy to print filament with improved mechanical properties thanks to Polymaker's Nano reinforcement technology. This delivers a PLA filament with ABS toughness, combining excellent printability with practical durability. Nano reinforcement is Polymaker's in-house developed technology which boosts the toughness and impact resistance of PLA by compounding a nanoparticle into the filament. This produces a PLA with 5 times the durability without affecting the outstanding printability of PLA. The improved fracture toughness allows PolyMax PLA to be applied in prosthetics, mechanical parts, lifestyle parts, and is widely used by professionals across many industries. For those getting into 3D printing, PLA will surely be the first material you come across. When you need more performance without sacrificing quality, PolyMax PLA is material for you.